Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Varga Zarif and this channel is all about beauty, makeup, skincare and much more. For today's video, I will be sharing with you guys my skincare haul and also my first impression to all these products as I have used them once or twice. Now I know the situation in India is not at all good and I do not encourage you guys to shop online, but you can definitely save this video for future reference. Now all of these products belong to Indian skincare brands and I have already done a video using makeup products which are made in India. So you can go ahead and check that video. I'll link it in the I button above. So without any further more talking, let's quickly begin with this haul. Okay, so the first two products are from the Pulp shop and I have got two of their superfood masks. One of it is day after binge mask and the other one is date night prep mask. Now Pulp is known as the new generation of Indian skincare and they have a variety of superfood masks, serums, body scrubs to offer, and I got my hands on the mini combo of these two face masks and these two together I got for rupees 650. Love the packaging and I have used both of them once and I really love the day after binge face mask. Their ingredients are quite unique as well and all of them are mentioned on the packaging. And now this one has turmeric and spinach and this one is made up of kombucha plus rose. They do not have any sort of overpowering fragrance to them. This one has no fragrance at all and this one has a little bit of rose fragrance, and also the texture of these masks are really different. It's creamy and it will not dry up on your face. Instead it will get absorbed and your skin will feel very hydrated. So if you're looking for something really different, do check them out. Alright, so the next product is from Dr. Sheth's. It's their Neem and BHA Spot Clarifying Serum. I am a huge fan of Dr. Sheth's skincare products and I religiously use their Extra Gentle Daily Peel and their Gulab Glycolic Toner in my skincare routine. So I thought of trying another one of their best seller, which is this one. Now Dr. Sheth's products are specially formulated for Indian skin and all of them are tested by dermatologists. I especially got this product for the acne spots that I have on my face. Now no matter how big or small pimples I get, it tends to leave a mark behind which is such a pain to get rid of. Let me show you how it looks like from inside. Now this one came in a glass bottle and the texture is quite gel-like. I have used this one quite a few times in my nighttime routine and I must say I have seen a little bit of difference in my spots, but it is too quick to give my words on this product. So I'll make sure to use this more, and as I'm sure with my reviews, I'll make sure to let you guys know as well. Next two products are again from one of my favorite and trusted skincare brand, which is Earth Rhythm. I have never been disappointed with any of the products that I've used from their brand so far. Me and my mom both love their products. Now this time I got my hands on their sunscreen. Of course it's summer and sunscreen is an essential. I really wanted to try a new sunscreen this time. Now this one is their SPF 30 PA++ Daily Defense Sunscreen. Now this one is non-comedogenic, that means it will not clog your pores, and if you're someone like me who suffers from a lot of acne, you should definitely give this one a try. Now if you know, I really love the Neutrogena sunscreen, but that is SPF 50. And now that I am not at all stepping out of my house, I thought of getting myself an SPF 30 and that's the reason I got this one. I have been using this product since the day I have got it. That's like 1 week and I really love this product and I highly recommend you guys to check this out. You can close your eyes and buy this product. It is such an amazing one. Next item is a repurchase of mine from Earth Rhythm and it's their Phyto Gel. Now the ingredients I'm not able to pronounce, so I'm gonna write it down on the screen for you guys. I have never loved a product as much as I love this one. It is specially meant for calming down your skin and giving a soothing effect. Now this one has a little bit of fragrance but it doesn't last for too long. I love this product especially for the tiny little bumps that we get on our skin either after trying out a new skincare product or if your skin is very dry and dehydrated. Especially I like to use it as a night gel, but you can also use it during the daytime before you apply your sunscreen and it gives a very nice and relaxing feel. This one is priced at 795 rupees, but it is worth every penny. Now before moving to the last product, I also want to mention one product that I had ordered but I did not receive it because of the lockdown, and that product is from India and I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but they have recently launched their skincare and I have ordered a moisturizer from them as I heard it was a nice dupe for Clinique Moisture Surge. As I receive it, I will make sure to give my reviews on that product as well on my Instagram, so make sure you follow me there. Now the last product is not actually a purchase but I got it as a PR, but I really like this product, and this one is from Teal and Terra. It's their Oils of Youth under eye cream. Now this one is a bit expensive. It's around 1000 rupees for an eye cream, but I will say it is definitely worth the price. I have used this one twice or thrice and I've seen difference, and I will never say that for an eye cream, but this one did the job. It did make difference in the appearance of my dark circles, and more than that, it worked really well for depuffing my eyes. I always used to have those puffy eyes, but now that I use this, I do not have that problem anymore. Now this one is infused with cucumber extract, aloe vera extract, glycerine, almond oil, jojoba oil. All of these ingredients works best for under eye treatments. The texture of it is quite lightweight and it gets absorbed into the skin very quickly. This has a little bit of fragrance to it, a therapeutic fragrance to it, which does not cause any discomfort to me at least, but it lasts until only the product gets absorbed and then it's gone. If you're looking to invest in an under eye cream which really works, go ahead and give this a try. That is it for today's haul, and I really hope you found something that suits your skin preference. Let me know if you want a full-on review on any of these products that I've shown in today's haul. If you did enjoy watching this video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It will mean a lot to me. Do follow me on Instagram and I shall see you in my next video. Bye.